Annyeonghaseyo, 여러분. This is Anthony Gersaniba, vlogger South Korea. So ngayon guys, isi-share ko naman sa inyo yung my 500 alphabetical verbs, episode number 1. So, yung episode number 1 na to, 90 siya. So, yung susunod, 180. So, abangan po ninyo yung mga iba pang vocabularies. So, sa mga gustong kumuha ng copy, mag-message lang po ulit kayo. Okay? So, yan. Ang pinakauna natin ay yung kada. Okay? So, yung kada is to go. Karuchida, to teach. Karikida, to point, to indicate. And then, yung kachokada, to take, to carry. Kachoda, to bring, to cause. Kachida, to have, to pose. And then, karaipta, to change one's clothes. Karatada, to change, to transfer. Kamta, to close one eyes. So, marami siyang ibig sabihin. Yung isa pang kamta, to wind up. And then, yung kamsada, to appreciate, to thank. And then, kamchuda, to hide, to disguise. Kamchuada, to emphasize. Kachuda, to prepare, to be equipped. Kebalhada, to develop, to create. Koduda, to collect, to achieve. And then, kojinmalada, to lie or to tell lie. Kokjongada, to worry about. Kotta, to walk. And then, kolda, to hang, to call. Kolida, to hang, to be hung, or to catch a cold. Kolida, to take time. And then, korokada, to go on foot or to walk. Koroada, to come on foot. And then, kyokta, to experience, to undergo. Kyondida, to endure, to bear, to stand. Kyolsimhada, to resolve. Kyoljongdida, to decided. And then Kyoljonghada, to decide. Kyorhonada, to marry. And then Kyorhonmada, to experience. Kesanhada, to calculate, to pay. Kesokdida, to continue, to be continue. Kesokhada, to continue. Hondulda, to shake or to swing. Gesida, to be or to stay. Honorific form of ita. So, koryohada, to consider. Kuruda, to choose, to select. Kusenghada, to have a hard time. Kuchida, to refer, to fix, edit, or to edit. Kongbuhada, to study. Gwanyondida, to be related. Gwansanada, to observe or to watch. Kwanada, to concerning or regarding. Kukyongada, to look around. Kusongdida, to be composed, to be formed. Kuhada, to seek, to get. Kuhada, to rescue or to save. Kupta, to roast, to grill or to bake. Korotta, to do that or to do this. Kurida, to draw or to paint. Kumanduda, to stop, to drop or to quit. Kuchida, to stop, to cease. Kunmuhada, to work. Kidarida, to wait. Kidehada, to expect, to anticipate. Kirokhada, to record, to write. Kiroda, to raise, to grow. Okay. So, kipohada, to rejoice, to be happy. Kiokhada, to remember, to recall. Then, kioknada, to come to mind or to remember. Kiorida, to lean, to pay, to attention. Kakta, to feel, to cut, or to discount. So, yan lahat guys. Hindi ko na itutuloy yung pagbasa. So, practicein na lang po ninyong or i-memorize po natin. Okay? So, maraming salamat. I hope makatulong ito sa inyo. Lalo na sa preparing natin sa exam this year. Okay? So, hanggang dyan lang guys. Salamat sa panood. Thank you and God bless.